4 divided by 2 over 5 times 10. 5 into a 1, 5 into 10, 2. Then we have 4 divided by 2 times 2. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 4 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation. According to the order of operation, we are to solve 4 divided by 2 over 5 first because division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we are to work from our left to our right. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with 4 divided by 2 over 5 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 4 here, change division to multiplication, then flip 2 over 5 to 5 over 2, then multiply by 10 here. 2 into here 1, 2 into 4 2. Then we have 2 times 5 times 10. Now we are going to work from our left to our right. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Then we have 10 times 10. 10 times 10 will give us 100. 100 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.